Hey everyone! Ready to dive into the life of George Washington, the first president of the United States, in just 2 minutes? Let's go. George Washington was born on February 22, 1732, in Westmoreland County, Virginia. As a young man, he worked as a surveyor before joining the military. At 22, he gained fame during the French and Indian War. By 1775, the American colonies were fed up with British rule. Washington was appointed commander-in-chief of the Continental Army. Against all odds, he led the colonies to victory in the Revolutionary War. The war ended in 1783, and Washington went back to his plantation, Mount Vernon. But his retirement didn't last long. In 1789, he was unanimously elected as the first president of the United States. He set countless precedents, like serving only 2 terms and establishing a cabinet. Washington's leadership helped shape the new nation. He promoted peace, unity, and a strong federal government. After 2 terms, he stepped down in 1797, setting a powerful example of peaceful transfer of power. He spent his final years at Mount Vernon and passed away on December 14, 1799. George Washington's legacy as a leader, visionary, and the father of his country lives on. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more historical adventures. Catch you next time.